Hello everyone, we're here in New York at this amazing, beautiful residential property where we're installing 1,400 square feet of grain. We show you inside how it's done and the process behind it. Come on in. Here we are, look at this beautiful space, 1,400 square feet. It's amazing, looks really great. So we did some priming, prepping, and intermediate base coat. We made sure all the levels are perfect to create an easy transition to the pool area. And let me show you what we're doing. So this is the good stuff. Bring on the color, that's what we're doing today. We're going to install this beautiful floor, Grain by Senso, which uses our biopolymer and a proprietary mix of sand that we're going to add into it for a little bit of texture and movement. Looking at this beautiful infinity pool overlooking the green, part of the planning process with the client was to extend that endless look with a seamless product in the interior.